In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to remix a song in Suno AI. So let's get started. First of all, you want to navigate here into the Create section or library wherein you can see all the songs that you have in here. And from here, you can now choose to remix or edit song. You could also go for the other songs here in Home, wherein you also have that option by clicking here on the three dots, and then you have the remix or edit. So depending on what song you would want to remix right here. So let's say that I'm just going to go and remix my song. So I'm going to go into Create. And in here, navigate to the song that you'd want to remix. Let's say this one. Click here on Remix and Edit right here. And then you should have this menu. Now, you just want to choose the remix feature that you would want to use right here. So do you want to cover, extend, mashup, adjust speed, and many more right here. So some of the features here includes the Pro feature. So you wouldn't be able to use this on the free plan. So if you'd want to use them, just simply upgrade to a Pro plan. They have Pro indication here on the right side. So let's say that you just simply want to extend the duration of this song. You can click here and extend. You'll now be prompted in here, and then you'd now have the settings here for the extension of your song. So just set the settings, and then you also have the cover, which is this one, and many other features in here that you could use to remix your song here in Suno AI. And this is how you can remix a song in Suno AI.